start a peripheral ring road bracket start for short PRR bracket close encircling Bangalore city for the length of 116 kilometers stop was proposed wide later dated 27 November 2006 by the Bangalore Development Authority bracket start BDA for short bracket close to the state government stop. The scheme was sanctioned by the Government of Karnataka wide UDD 399 MNX 2006 Bangalore dated 23 April 2007 stop. This PRR is to provide connectivity to various destinations in all the directions for onward traffic without entering the city of Bangalore and thus minimizing the congestion on the outer ring road as well as on the internal roads of the city stop. The affidavit filed by the additional Chief Secretary before this court dated 9 November 2021 highlights the importance of construction of PRR as under stop project necessity stop. At the outset, it is submitted that the Bengaluru city needs to peripheral ring road within bracket PRR more than ever in view of the phenomenal growth of the city in all directions stop. The geographical extent of the city has grown to 2196 square kilometers stop. The vehicle count as of 2019 was over 80 lakhs stop. Bengaluru being the capital city, thousands of vehicles come in every day from various parts of the state as well as outside the state stop. There is enormous pressure on city roads and public transport system is overstressed stop. The PRR will greatly reduce the stress and congestion in the city roads stop. The government is very keen to facilitate the early execution of the PRR stop. Notifications, both preliminary and final, have been issued by the BDA for acquisition of the lands for the PRR and several writ petitions were filed before the High Court of Karnataka challenging these notifications stop. One such writ petition was WP number 4550 of 2008 bracket start Sri Sudhakar Hegde and others versus the state of Karnataka and others stop. Several other similar matters were clubbed along with the said writ petition stop. Learned single judge of the Karnataka High Court decided these matters on 22 July 2014 stop. The questions formulated in the said cases were as under stop. Within bracket A, whether the repeal of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 has the effect of frustrating any proceedings with reference to Section 36 of the BDA Act stop. Within bracket B, whether the acquisition proceedings can be said to have lapsed by virtue of the right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlements Act 2013 having come into force stop. On the first question, learned single judge held that the provisions of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 bracket start for short LA Act bracket close that are made applicable to the BDA are in the nature of legislation by reference. Stop. It was further held that in view of the repeal of the LA Act by coming into force of right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement Act 2013 stop stanza.